So the CleanEx show is probably one of the best shows that I've ever seen. I've travelled around the world being at various exhibitions for the last 40 years, and the CleanEx show for laundry in the UK is the only and best one to be at.
Hi, welcome to CleanEx 2024. Come on in. CleanEx 2024 focuses on sustainability, energy saving and labour saving devices. There's products, there's machinery and all types of equipment for sale. Come and have a look, see for yourself.
It's just basically a melting pot of ideas, lots of different distributors and a chance to meet like-minded people.
It's the only show of its kind in the UK, so it's just the only time that everyone gets together in one place, you know, and you can catch up with everyone.
It's a great place for me to see all the equipment that's on offer, what I would need for my business, and to see all the different manufacturers under the one roof.
My feeling is that there are more people here and that there's a lot of business to be done.
It's been very good. We've seen lots of our existing customers and lots of new potential customers. So yes, I think the footfall's been very good.
Small operators don't necessarily know what's available out there, so coming here, the suppliers from just not in the UK but Europe and some from the States actually congregate, and we're really here to support those early operators that are not really sure what they're looking for, find the solutions that are right for their business.
Really good buzz about the place. Half a day to go, but so far really impressed, really happy with it. I think what's important these days is we do a lot of business on Teams and Zoom, so people do take the opportunity to come somewhere like this and meet people, older, making acquaintances. Great place to catch up, and there's really good energy about it.
So the show for us, from a business point of view, has been absolutely fantastic. We've had a really busy 2 days, lots of inquiries, new customers, existing customers, and absolutely I'll be booking for the next one.
Everything's here under one roof, so people that have been here are here for business.
It's an opportunity to represent your company, your business profile, your product brands, and it's an opportunity to expand your customer base.
It's important to be here if you take it seriously, if you want to be involved in this industry and see what's going on. And
so if you're thinking about exhibiting at CleanEx in 2026, I would say absolutely get it booked in.
If you miss it this year, come to CleanEx 2026.